on. Hi guys, and today I'm doing some fidget spinner tricks. These have got very addicting and I can't believe how long it's took me to get one. But anyway, let's get on with the tricks. First, I'm going to do it without holding on the top on my thumb. It's pretty easy. Then I can swap onto my middle finger. That's pretty easy. Then I can go onto my thumb, swap to my left thumb, which sometimes I struggle. Then swap onto my middle finger. Oh, that stopped. Let's try again. Middle finger to middle finger. Done that. Oh. Sometimes I can do it on my nose. It's pretty hard. It might take me till the end of the video to get it, but I'll try. If I don't get it within the next 5 tries, I'll try again at the end of the video. No, that didn't work. Nearly. Anyway, moving on. I can do it on my, what do you call this again? Elbow. That's what it's called. I don't know why I forgot that. Probably remembering the schedule of everything. Straight on my elbow. Pretty cool. Table, easy. Done that. What else is there really to show? I guess I can do it.
The fidget spinner itself. That's what you can show.
Yeah, that's the fidget spinner itself, I guess. Alright, yeah. I can do it on my kneecap. Pretty easy. You don't need to be very good to do this. What else should I do? Let's try toes. Jess, shut up. Failed. Bloopers. Let's get that again. It's very hard. I have completed this before. I've really struggled.
Nothing happened. Jack is a really good person, and he can also do loads with a fidget spinner.
Probably just today, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, probably is. Let's see what else. Let's see what else I can try. Maybe. Let's try scooting fidget spinner.
I dare him to try to do it.
Now,
Wait, it's probably gonna fall over now.
That was quite easy. What else should I try? Sorry about that. It's one of my interesting friends at the moment.
Hold this.
Beep! Bloopers! Beep! Hold this. Right. Right. Now, let's try going down the slide. Dylan, you're not even filming it. No, hold it with 2 hands facing at the bottom of the slide. And me. Right, come on. Dylan, stop. Pause. No.
I can't see the pause.
Sorry about this, guys. We're having some difficulties. We just need to find the pause button.
He's gonna mess with his flipping fidget spinner.
My break. Let's go. Down the slide. You ready, Owen? Make sure you follow me. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Save me, viewers. Viewers, save me.
Jack needs subscribers because he is now lonely.
No.
Only £5 need to be accepted for Jack so he can live a better life. Only £5 a month will be provided for Jack.
No.
Thank you.
Just please put in the comments, save Jackie boy.
All you need to do is £5 a month. Please don't leave a child like Jack suffering, falling off of his slide. Thank you.
Goodbye. That just happened. Sorry, viewers. Let's try this again. Oh, my fidget spinner actually broke. Oh, good. There we go, I fixed it. Right, try again.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Hello, Shaggy thought it was chocolate. So he took a bite and his face went white. That was the end of Shaggy. You should have told me. Molly? Shut up!
Scooby-Doo.
Dibby-dibby-doo, where are you? Shaggy. Wait, what? I'm singing the song wrong. Anyway, screw that. Let's try again. Damn.
Please help an abused child by his friends. Just put in the comments £5 for Jackie Boy. Save me. Scooby-Doo.
Had a pull. Shaggy thought it was a fidget spinner, so he spun it, then he swallowed a berry. That was the end of him farting. Right, let's go again, down the slide. Ah, no! Oh, no! That's fully dropped. Oh, crud, Owen.
My friend
Yeah.
always jumps.
Man, get that out of here. Ethan, what are you doing?
And pause. Leave a like, otherwise I won't do it. And if I fail, I'll know. Someone, one of you, did not like the video.
Right, let's go. Did you like the video? I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Right, you better have liked the video. Did you like it?
Don't leave a like.
Don't like it. Those skills! Oh, don't let you.
Those aren't skills, but beep!
Still, last thing of the video. Everyone like, if you haven't already, can I get it? On my nose? Oh, that's on my cheek.
Guys, that's it from Jack the Cat with his lovely fidget spinner tricks that he wished were really good, but
Ow!
they kind of weren't. But
Just keep filming me, Owen. You're not supposed to be in the videos, you're just a cameraman. Please put in the video, save Owen as well. On pause. Make sure you like, if you haven't, to give me luck. Then, you also need to comment what we should do next. We might not be able to do it with all of them, and I'll try and reply to some of them. And also, make sure you subscribe and go into the description to check out some of my friends' channels. Peace, we're out.